Hey VanGang, this is LaToya Princess, and let's get straight into the video. So this is the construction of the unit that I got from Bilace Wig. It has a fake scalp, as you can see. It also comes with combs, adjustable straps, as well as a elastic band for more security. And this is the loose wave unit. So I'm gonna put it right on my head. We're getting straight into the video, girl, and it's gonna be a very quick styling. I put it on, I adjusted the straps in the back so they can fit tight. As you can see, it looks very natural without me even having to glue it down. So I'm not gonna glue it down in this video. I'm gonna show you what I would do on a regular basis. Sometimes you don't have to do all of that gluing and stuff. When I'm gonna be on the move, I literally do this. I take out some baby hairs, I style it, I cut the baby hairs, I glue it down, but I do not glue the unit down first. Okay, the baby hairs is gonna adhere to my forehead to where I don't have to go in and add glue. Okay, and it's gonna look really natural. So that's basically all I am doing. I'm using Got To Be glue gel as well as a baby hair brush, and I'm using the comb part. Like sometimes I use the brush part, sometimes I use the comb part, but I feel like with the brush part, your baby hairs come out like really thick and like a lot. But when you use the comb, it's a little bit thinner. So, you know, sometimes I rotate. And I basically just pull it from different spots. Like I love to have like a baby hair in the front usually, but because this is a like side part, I kind of do a little bit more baby hair on one side. And then I always have a baby hair like swoop like by my temples because I feel like it looks more natural. And as you can see, my baby hairs, my natural baby hairs are always on this side because I feel like it looks way more natural than you use your own. So that's how I like to do it. And then I'm just gonna add one by the temple on this side of my head, and that is pretty much it for styling. After this, of course, I'm gonna do my parting space because I do want to have like a flip over, but I still like to have like a defined parting space. So I'm using a tail comb to just flip it over, and then I'm going to use some powder and I'm going to add it to that, even though I really did not need powder, because as you can see, that fake scalp is on point. The color is just perfect for my complexion. But yeah, I did add a little powder to make it a little bit darker. But that is pretty much it for styling. Let's get into the specs. So this unit is from Bilace Wig, and this is the box it came in. It's very pretty and tropical, and it came inside of this bag and inside of a hairnet. So inside you get like a little brochure that basically tells you about the hair. It also gives you a cap. And I'm just going to read the specs off of here. So this is the 13x6 with scalp average size lace front wig, and it is in 20 inches, a natural color loose wave. Okay, is the pattern. So I absolutely love it. I'm gonna stand up so you can see how far it comes. So it's like short, but it's a good length. It's like really sexy. And I think it has the perfect density. Like it just looks really full, but it's not too much hair. This is all of the hair to the front. Okay, and this is one of my favorite looks. I'm gonna get like a wavy or curly unit to do like a flip over and just add some baby hair. It was simple. I didn't even glue the wig down. It fits snug. I think this wig is absolutely perfection. I love it so freaking much. I'm actually gonna wear it out tonight. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it was very easy putting it on. As you saw, if you were wondering what I was using to just mold the baby hairs, I used the Got To Be glue gel, and as far as what I was cutting it with, I used like an eyebrow razor. To do my baby hairs, I used the baby hair brush. Something I really liked about this was that the frontal was like a fake scalp, so when you part it, it looks like your natural scalp, and I think those are really, really perfect. These are the new wigs that just came out, and I think they are perfect. They come with a little bit of lace on the outside, and that's for you to mold your baby hair and for it to like look like thin enough to be your actual edges. So I really love the construction of this cap. This is one of the best constructed caps that I've ever gotten. Honestly, I love the thought behind like the fake scalp part, and then they put the lace on the outside so that's a little bit thinner on that part, but on this part it looks really, really natural, and how the hair just moves is natural. Like even if I like part it here, like it just naturally just molds. So you could do basically anything. If I wanted to flip it over on this side, I could do so. I think this is just like a very, very versatile unit. So this is how the unit looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have all the information for BilaceWig down in the bottom bar, and yeah, tell me what y'all think about this unit. Would you get it? Are you thinking about getting it? Do you already have it? Please leave your comments down in the comments and let's chat. So I'll speak to you in my next video. Bye y'all.